Today, we're going to talk about the risk signals that nonprofits accidentally send in grant proposals. You might be unknowingly sending signals, not the good kind, that your organization might be risky to fund, even if you have solid programs, a good mission, and good intentions. Problem number 1, inconsistent terminology. So using different words for the same concept or shifting your framing mid-proposal signals confusion. Reviewers unconsciously perceive risk there. Consistency in language builds trust faster than data will. Problem number 2, overloading the details. Too much information can backfire. Very dense paragraphs, excessive tables, they slow the reader. And that's not what reviewers like. They like facts that are easy to read, and it shows you put effort, that it's easy to make sense of the information you're sharing. Problem number 3, misplaced emphasis. So highlighting what excites you personally about your organization or the program you're writing a grant proposal for can backfire. It's important to prioritize what the reviewers prioritize. So sometimes they do have like metric tables, they tell you how it is scored, but not following that can send subtle signals of misalignment. Leading with services, also instead the problem you solve, makes you appear reactive instead of strategic. So check the review criteria if it's available and align your emphasis there. Once you know the risk signals that you may be accidentally sending, the fix is easy. Consistency, clarity, and alignment. So the DIY packages on my website make that effortless, giving you structure so that every proposal reads confidently from start to finish. You can check that out at hancockbcs.com. The link is in the description, and happy grant writing.